Maybe,
Mm.
sir. Inshallah.
Because already, I think people from the final year are doing. Might be in either on coming Monday or 20th. We might have the class. It will
Inshallah.
be better, inshallah. So yesterday also we were studying about rights. Why rights are important. It is a claim which is being recognized by the society as well as enforced by the state. So whatever the state gives, society recognized by the states. Okay, it is universal. It is prevalent everywhere. Declarations, earlier rights of man and all these starts. It started coming universal declaration of human rights. All these start UNHCR, Human Rights Commission. You must today also we have human rights. Okay, human rights commissions, NHRC, state human rights commissions, national human rights commission. You will have it in IPR, intellectual property rights. So these were there. Utility is the basis of right. Okay, it should be beneficial. Otherwise, it's of no use. Okay. So I will read utility. Utility is the basis of rights. Rights involve the question of utility. Utility means what? Usefulness. Any right should be useful to all or should benefit one and all. Please remember when we are talking or civil society. Civil society, okay, when we talk of rights. Okay. Lasky says the utility of rights is therefore a value to all the members of society. You are a part of society, you are one among the society, you are getting benefited from the society. Just because of an individual is granted rights, he cannot use them as he likes. You cannot use it according to your whims and fancies. Okay. What will happen? You are getting into others' territory if you are using it. Okay. Your limitations are there. You cannot exceed the limitations. For example, the right to freedom of speech cannot be means of spread of rumors or scandals. We cannot spread wrong messages. Today, what happens if you spread wrong messages? It especially through social media, it is being misused so much, no? So all these things, especially what happens, so many scandals are happening, rumors are spreading, something which is not good for the health of society, especially social media. I think because anything you may take, for example, what does happen is good things definitely get promoted. See what happens, somebody needs blood through WhatsApp, through Facebook and all this, you are sending messages, all such things. But what happens if there is disturbance in that area and it spreads to other areas? So I told you, no, there are good things as well as bad things. But so for example, if you have to send a medical report to another place, it can be sent through WhatsApp, it can be sent through email, electronic media and all that. But the same thing, how it is being misused, it is there, no? There are misuses also of the technology. So by doing many wrong things, and especially related to women, many things are being promoted. So you must have seen how wrong things are getting promoted on social media, and the consequence also is not good. Cyber crimes, that is how the pictures are coming here. Cyber crimes and all that, and many such things which are related to social media. The moral development of individual must be the aim of rights. Yeah, morality, mores and ethics, the beginning of political science. That is where we began by telling what was this. They are correlated with functions. They must contribute, every person must contribute to the society through the performance of certain functions. What you do to the society, no? आप नेकी करो और दरिया में डालो, उतना ही है आपका काम. You do good, it's your job. You have to do it. How? Follow traffic signals. Do what has law has prescribed you within the prescribed limits. If you jump in the examination, now we are reading from the textbook, we are referring the textbook, we are it's just like a Bible to us, a textbook till the examination. But the same exam, the same examination where you are appearing for your exams, we don't use this book. What will happen? It is called malpractice. Otherwise, we keep bits, it is called keeping cheats. You will be barred from writing examination. You are getting the difference, no? यही चीज जो आप एग्जाम तक उसको गाइड समझ रहे हैं, एग्जाम में आपको गाइड नहीं रही. एग्जाम में आप इसको यूज करने से आपको डिबार कर सकते हैं. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड. दैट इज व्हाट आर मॉरल्स. ये आपने आप में आना चाहिए, ये कोई इंस्टिल नहीं करता. No person can act unsocially. Lasky says function is thus implicit in the right. In gratitude to the conditions provided by the state, the individual should make contribution that enriches the common stock. There are people, okay, who are helping the society. They are not in the picture. This I'm telling minus the politicians and the administrative officers, the government staff. I'm telling those who are wholeheartedly working for the benefit of society. During the pandemic, so many people. Pandemic is COVID-19. Many people helped other people by giving them food, by giving them masks, by giving them shelters. They were all people who, I'm not telling about the organizations which are helping them. I'm telling individual people. Individual people help the other people. Those are the people who are good Samaritans to the society. Okay. They don't work for money. They don't work for name or fame. Okay. That is how the society develops. That is why I told you that does not include any politician. That does not include any NGO, non-governmental organizations, which are not doing for any benefit. They are totally doing for no benefit. Rights also change from time to time. Once enjoyed by only some people are now enjoyed by all. Probably because the population was less. As it becomes more, you enjoy more. And earlier you have studied Hobbes, you have studied Locke, you have studied Rousseau now. So you are studying an era when the Roman Empire was there, then the Dark Ages came, then the Middle Ages came, then the modern era came, then the Renaissance came. Okay, how these rights curved, how these rights started developing, how the society started developing, what was the reason behind it? That is how rights started growing. Okay, it is an evolution of time. Aristocracy, how the aristocrats were there, how monarchy was promoted. Okay, how the church was there, how the papacy was there, how was the dominance of the church over the empire. Okay, then the downfall of it. Okay, then the rise of the people. Okay, so and force theories, how the theories came into picture, why force was a coercion, and what used to happen with it, and what happened without force. Okay, so please, when we are studying political science, it is always correlating to other things, means it is interconnected. आपको थर्ड फ्लोर के जाने के लिए फर्स्ट ग्राउंड फ्लोर चढ़ना पड़ेगा, बाद में फर्स्ट फ्लोर, बाद में सेकंड फ्लोर, बाद में थर्ड फ्लोर जाएंगे. जब भी आपको समझ में आएगा, आप डायरेक्टली थर्ड फ्लोर में नहीं जा सकते, आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा. यू कैन स्टडी, यू विल नॉट, इट इज लाइक अंडरस्टैंडिंग विदाउट रीडिंग. अब आपके सर में जा रहा है विदाउट अंडरस्टैंडिंग. ओके, दैट इज हाउ इट इज. सो देन नाउ द मेजर चेंजेस. Women did not have equal rights with men that time. Women should be knowing more than this now, how much independence and freedom they have been given now. Okay, so that is the biggest change which has happened, and the situation has been altered. Rights are not permanent, the change according to situations and conditions of society. Again, I told you, how you act according to situation. Nobody imagined all this pandemic will all happen. Everybody was not prepared, but now happened? Everybody is societies have become less, marriages have become less.
He has a doubt for
Yes.
me, and she will ask after.
What is the doubt? Tell me. Tell me, Zubair.
Sorry, sorry, sir. I don't have any doubt, sir. Alhamdulillah, all is clear, sir.
Okay, okay. So how it evolved? How over a period of 400 500 years हर चीज कैसे बदली, हमारे हुकूक कैसे बदले, हमारे हमारा सोच कैसे बदली. मेजर थिंग इज हमारी सोच कैसे बदली, हमारा रहन सहन कैसे बदला, हमारा ओढ़ना पहनना, बातचीत करना, किसी के साथ बात करना, किसी के साथ किस तरह से पेश आना, एवरीथिंग चेंज. और हम जिस तरह सिस्टम को अप्रोच कर रहे हैं वो भी बहुत चेंजेस हो गया. ओके, सो मेनी 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 थिंग्स, मेनी फोल्ड्स में बहुत सारे चीजेस चेंज हो गए. ठीक है, जरा खुला रखो वो नेटवर्क. सो नाउ डेमोक्रेसी अपहोल्ड्स राइट्स. डेमोक्रेसी वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. वर्ल्ड लार्जेस्ट डेमोक्रेसी इंडिया में ही है. सो I told you demo means what? Demography is the study of population. Rights can be enjoyed in democracy only, because in totalitarian states, in states where is completely communist, the erstwhile China, the communist Russia, USSR, okay, all these things I told you. I think about USSR. See, आप 8 बजे या समझो 7 बजे उठ रहे थे, सब सारे एक ही तरह के कपड़े पहन रहे थे, सब सारे फैक्ट्री में जाते थे एक ही तरह के कपड़े, and 7 o'clock to I think 9 o'clock they used to work. Then 9 might be, for example, I'm just telling for example, it used to happen really. Okay, what I'm telling, इसी तरह होता था. तो समझो आप 8 बजे ऑफिस चले गए, 10 बजे तक ऑफिस, अगेन 10 to 10:30 आपका ब्रेकफास्ट. फैक्ट्रीज, मेजर फैक्ट्रीज प्रेजेंट प्रोडक्शन होता था. और प्रेजेंट्स was called, there were called serfs in Russia, SERFs. Okay, so serfs, they used to work in the this thing, what do you say, the land, they used to till the lands. So then समझो आप 10 बजे ब्रेकफास्ट, 10:30 को आपका ब्रेकफास्ट हो रहा है, सॉरी 10 to 10:30 आपका ब्रेकफास्ट, 10:30 to 11:30, 11:30 to 12:30, 1 o'clock फिर अगेन आपका काम स्टॉप, 1 to 2 आपका लंच, again 2 to 4:30 or 5 o'clock again, 2 to 4:30 something you will have again work. Then again 5 o'clock you again sit back in the bus and again you go back to your house. 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock or something, or 5:30 to 6:30 you are supposed to go to park, and again 6:30 park ends, it will close. 7 o'clock you are supposed to come back home. 7 to 7:30 you are supposed to listen to the news. That will be state sponsored news, means वो रशिया के ही चैनल्स होते थे. 7:30 8 बजे आपका काम खत्म. 8 से 9 o'clock शायद आप बिल्कुल ब्रेकफास्ट या डिनर खत्म करो, 9 बजे सो जाओ. This is how Russia used to work. Okay, it was the Bolshevik revolutions. Russia has had n number of revolutions. इसके बहुत सारे revolutions हुए रशिया में. Then they got fed up. Today you must have been hearing all these names. The great Vladimir Lenin. Okay, okay, the man who fought for the peasants there or the serfs there, and they got emancipated from the claim, because Russia is a very huge country. Okay, it's a very huge country. They then erstwhile USSR, Union of Soviet and Sovereign Socialist Republic. That was it was USSR. So today it became Russia. So even after division, it is the world's largest country. Okay, तो इस तरह होता था उनका माहौल. तो आपके राइट्स कहाँ हैं, आपके हुकूक कहाँ हैं? You don't have rights at all to talk. You cannot talk there. That was the kind of control they had. This was during the period of the two idiots, Benito Mussolini and Adolf Hitler. There are another two idiots who tried to do this in Italy and Germany. As a result of which, so many people who were innocent died because of these idiots. Okay, the World War, the Great World War, Second World War, 1939 to 1945. So many. Don't think only about human beings. So many animals died. So many birds died because of these idiots. Because of the fumes emitted by those nuclear weapons. Very dangerous. Today also it's happening in Japan. Child born even after 70 years is either it is mute or deaf or dumb because of somebody's mistake, somebody else's. किसी का काम करने से किसी और का कोई और भुगत रहा है. Who was not at all born in that time. So these are repercussions. ये परिणाम बोलते हैं ना, परिणाम. What are the after effects? You should think before what you do. You should think this. आप बात करने के पहले सोचिए. You think before you speak the tell. This is why. आप करने के पहले सोचिए. बॉम्ब डालना बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं है. उसके बाद क्या क्या होगा? 6 months वहां कुछ भी ग्रोथ नहीं होगा. Okay, nothing will grow in those places. As it is, once a bomb is there, nothing will grow. But you can imagine the air, it is polluted. The gases which are inhaled are polluted. People will get after effects. Everybody will not be normal, no? So those are things which are detrimental. बहुत दुनिया के लिए तबाही ला सकती है. So that is why they prevent the war should not happen, especially the warfare that what is happening today. Okay, today's advanced warfare is happening. Earlier it used to happen. पहले लोग तलवार में भाले में लड़ते थे या फिजिकल लड़ते थे, घोड़े पे लड़ते थे. Today's wars are not like that. Today's wars are more dangerous. That is whenever river pollution happens. What has happened? So many people who drink that water, and if lead is becoming more in the water, people are getting affected by that. People die. Okay, they'll have all sorts of problems when you drink that water. So इसके लिए कह रहे हैं, war is not the solution to anything. हमेशा कोई भी चीज जिंदगी में याद रखो, war is not the solution. या लड़ाई झगड़े से कोई solution नहीं, बातचीत से ही होगा. You should always talk, try to resolve. Yeah, if they are not listening, just leave them and try to. I'll tell you another example when I come to class. Okay, so please make me reminder of what can. Just tell me the exam. Remind me that. Tell me the example about this two monks. I will tell you the example. Two monks you should tell. I will tell you in the class what thought is. हमारे सोच पे क्या control है. So that is how. Okay, so I'm telling you, no, it's a very vast subject. So don't worry. These are the liberty is the theme of rights, and it is important ideal of democracy. Very very important. Liberty सोचने की ताकत, freedom है आपको सोचने की कुछ भी. See, mind as it is, at one time there are 70,000 thoughts. एक समय पर सोचते हैं दिमाग में 70,000 thoughts. ये कोई भी it's not a very easy thing. Okay, 70,000 thoughts. No animal in the world is highly evolved as us. Okay, so इसका कॉल देखो मेरा, मैंने वसीम कर रही है देखो. So the dictators expect the citizens to perform duties only and give greater importance to the nation than the individual. I told you now about Mussolini and Hitler. Hail Hitler, hail Mussolini. That is how the fan following was there and all that. And later on, what happened? So then what happened is that is how they destroyed and the followers of those people. And today you can see, as a result, so many innocent people died, and still there are people who follow them. No, all that racist people, racist. That is what I call them, racist. Color per differentiation karna and all that. Today also it's happening. No, racist. So it happened in United States of America when the black man Floyd was killed in United States, and there was a huge furor. It's called furor. Okay, बहुत काफी हंगामा मचा, and people were killed. See, racism I don't understand. See, either you are black or you are white or you are yellow. So we don't choose the color and we don't choose the country where you are born. Okay. So you should see whether he's black, whether he's pink, or whether he's white, or whether he's yellow. Yellow is people from China. Okay, there are yellow race they are called. So, and there are certain races which are coffee colored. These are in South America. So you cannot discriminate people on the basis of color and all that. See, they are just like us. So why are you discriminating people just because they are black and yellow and white? You cannot different. See, very easy. I'll tell you. You are white, your father is black. Will you say he is not your father? You are black, your father is white. Your father is supposed to say that you are not his child. Can it happen? So you can just imagine that. There is no differentiation. All this is old theories, color theories. Nothing is going to happen. Color is not given by your father and mother. Color is given by something else. Okay. So you don't determine the country. Means आप color choose नहीं करते अपने आप का, और दूसरा आप अपने country नहीं choose करते जिस जगह पैदा हो रहे हैं. Why all this you and cry? People who never understood this. Okay, जिसे समझ में नहीं आया वो ये सब कर रहा है. So I don't understand what's the color theory today also. So especially when they see, no, हमारे लड़के को व्हाइट ही लड़की चाहिए, ब्लैक लड़की नहीं चाहिए. still it's continuing. So so I don't understand the color theory even today, because we are human beings.
I
There's
think
no
sir
color.
theory now.
Pardon me.
I think theory has changed sir. अब हमारे लड़के को पैसे वाली लड़की चाहिए.
No, पैसे वाली लड़की भी चाहिए. पैसा तो प्राइमरी है और उसके साथ लड़की वाइट भी चाहिए. That is because the continuation of the generation should be white. Okay, उनके बच्चे भी उजले हो, इसके लिए हो व्हाइट चाहिए. So see that is why I tell, no, नाम में भी कुछ नहीं है, नाम से कुछ नहीं. आप जो काम करते हैं ना, काम ना, उसी से आप जाने जाते हैं. नाम में कुछ नहीं है. By keeping
Yes.
big names, nothing is going to be achieved. Okay, even see people who they say ना, आपके हाथ नहीं है तो आपके हाथ की लकीर नहीं है तो आपकी किस्मत कैसे लिखेंगे? तो पैर में लिखे रहता है शायद भगवान. So God must have written in the legs then. So it's nothing. हाथ की लकीर से कुछ नहीं होता या पैर की लकीर से कुछ नहीं होता. आपके मेहनत से ही सब कुछ होता है. So you work hard, you will come up in life. Whether you have legs, whether you don't have legs, it is your determination. It is your way of thinking. It is your way of hard work. यही जिंदगी में. क्योंकि आप देखे हैं ना, कितने आदमी के पास हाथ पैर नहीं है फिर भी वो अचीव किए हैं. द बेस्ट एग्जांपल इज स्टीफन हॉकिंग. We can go study about this person. Okay, for those who have not seen, study about Stephen Hawking. If you can see, he could not move, he could not talk, but yet he was given the Newton's chair. So you can imagine what others can do, who have eyes, who have nose, who can feel and walk and touch. So, and there are so many athletes in the world who don't have legs. They participate in Paralympics. Okay, there are so many people. I think two of the ladies were there from India last year who forgot their names. The one still comes in the what is that, Whitehead Junior advertisement, that lady. So you can see उनके पैर नहीं है, but still they participated. They won so many medals. इरादे में है आपका उद्देश्य, what you are doing. Okay. So that is how rights can be explored. Okay, those are rights, and in the right guided direction. So it will help. Don't worry. If you think good, it will happen good. So Lasky told, any system of rights therefore has three essential aspects from which it must be regarded. There is the interest of the individual who is interested in doing it. There is always, at least ultimately, finally isolated from his fellow man. You have to, there are different levels. I'll tell you, might be when I come into the class, I'll tell you how. There was actually this called as, there's a man called, he's actually in public administration, not in political science. So, he tells you how actually a human being evolves. And it is called need hierarchy theory. It is told by Abraham Maslow. So he is a man who tells you exactly how you elevate from ground to level one. जिस तरह आपका सोचने का तरीका बदलता है, अगर क्या फैसिलिटी क्या देंगे, किस समय पर हम फैसिलिटी देंगे, all these things, when the society starts recognizing how you behave. Okay, there is an interest in various groups which the personality finds channels of expression, and the community is which a total result of whole society behind you. There are different kinds of pressure groups are there. Like you are a pressure group now. Pressure group now. For example, the Delhi agitation is happening. There is a huge pressure group there. Okay, there are two different kinds of pressure groups here. One is the government itself, which is acting against the farmers. Similarly, there's another group. There are different groups in farmers who are agitating against the government. There are pressure groups which are being pushed. Okay, you or a pressure group in the school level, in the college level. Okay. So institutions and communities. Party, and you see in that party somebody, your friend. So आपका आपका ही बहुत कम कपड़े पहन के आया, या समझो शादी में आके हैं, he is wearing shorts and coming in t-shirt to the marriage. You will not like it, no? You will say किस तरह के कपड़े पहन के आए, you will not like it. So, and somebody who is wearing lesser clothes, so which are more revealing, so it will not look good because of some people's morals, but some people will like. सभी will say, oh कितना अच्छा कपड़ा पहन के आई है लड़की. तो थोड़े आदमी को क्या होता है, वो नहीं लाइक करते क्योंकि वो थोड़े कम कपड़े पहने. तो that's upon your morals. Again, these are not guaranteed by any legal authority. They are not recognized by any state. It is your own perception. आपकी सोच पे जाता है. There is no protection of them. No punishment can be given if they are violated. So आप उसको punish नहीं कर सकते. See, some people don't have morals and ethics. जैसे ना आप में ज़मीर मर गया, आप में ये नहीं है, आप में अच्छाई बाकी नहीं है. You can see it in the movies and all the dialogues are coming. So old Hindi movies now they don't have ethics. Don't worry. Now our Hindi movies don't have ethics and morals. So the earlier ones had. Okay. So how the dialogue delivery was there, you could see all the dialogues. क्या आप में इतनी भी शर्म बाकी नहीं है कि आप ये काम कर रहे हैं, क्या आप में इतनी भी ये बाकी नहीं है कि आप ये कर रहे हैं. So these are the usual statements in the Hindi movies those days. Now no sharam, no haya. They have become behaya. So you know what I'm talking about. So you cannot view with your parents the movies. Okay, that is only morals. So I don't think I am free watching the movies. Not all the movies, on some movies. There are, see, movies like Three Idiots and all that. What is there? Tare Zameen Par, all that. You can watch that with your parents. Other movies and all can you watch them with your parents. You can't watch. You will feel hesitant watching them. आपको शर्म आएगी देखने के, या आप comfortable नहीं है. But you feel, yeah, these are not viewable with your parents. So that is only morals. Okay. And people follow moral rights as they have social values. एक दूसरे को आप इज्जत करते हैं, सोसाइटी में रहते हैं. That is only moral value, moral ethics. Moral rights are considered as natural rights. Moral, see, somebody is coming, a woman comes in front of you, a girl comes in front of you. So you say, ladies first. आप पहले जाइए. So that is automatically there. But some people, what they say, no, why should only girls go first? The men should go first. You stop, I will go. Those are the other people. Probably you understood what I told now. ये कुछ और सोचने के आदमी हैं. Legal rights. They are granted by man by law. Yeah, it is being sanctioned. According to Stephen Leacock, his name is, the legal right is privilegedly enjoyed by the citizens of and against fellow citizens. Granted by the sovereign powers of the state that upheld the power. Means these have been sanctioned and passed into. They are for your safeguarding. They are protected by law. The courts have the responsibility of safeguarding the rights. Along with you, you are also going to safeguard the rights. आप 5 साल के बाद जब पास होके 5 साल के बाद 5.5 साल के बाद जब प्रैक्टिस स्टार्ट करेंगे, जो भी आदमी आपके पास प्रॉब्लम आएगा वो प्रॉब्लम लेके आएगा बिकॉज उसके राइट्स इन्फ्रिंज हो चुके हैं, उसके हुकूक को उल्लंघन किया, कानून का उल्लंघन किया गया है. These are the words which I'll use. उल्लंघन. They have been aggrieved. So that is why the petitioner comes to you. He says, मेरे rights दिए गए हैं, मेरे प्रॉपर्टी में वो अंदर आ गया है, मेरा लॉस हो गया है. So that's when you seek the help. You are also the person who is going to safeguard that. Future people who are going to help the people who are not aware or unaware of law, along with the procedure. Because you will also be knowing the procedure after some time. How, what have you to do in the court, what are the steps which are in the court and all that. So they are clear, they are definite and universal. It can be done everywhere. Discrimination shown between the citizens in the application of legal rights with the state. There is no sort of discrimination which can be shown there. Discrimination of color, caste, race, region, and sex. And there are definite bodies to formulate and interpret legal rights. You are going to study a subject on this interpretation of law. Okay. How law is interpreted, किस तरह से आप उसको इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं, किस तरह आप उसको इंटरप्रेट कर सकते हैं. There is a definite body to formulate and interpret legal rights. Of course, there is a definite body because infringement itself, infringement means वो कायदा और कानून तोड़ा जाए, इसीलिए आप कोर्ट जा रहे हैं. In anticipation, जब आपको वहाँ न्याय मिलेगा. The violation of legal rights leads to punishment by the government, and they can be classified as follows. One, they are primary and secondary. The primary is a principle, secondary is sanctioned. Why he tells you that it is primary? The primary right is a right which is vested in a person by a law or by a contract, any other legal matter. They may be explained as the bundle of rights which are privilegedly enjoyed by a person. Examples are a person's right to liberty, बोलने का हक रखता है. Safety and reputation, उसका जैसे ना आप मानहानि का दावा कर रहे हैं, जैसे that somebody has what do you say this, मेरे ऊपर मानहानि, डिफेमेशन करते हैं, मेरा नाम टार्निश कर रहे हैं. सोशल मीडिया, आई टोल्ड यू ना, मेरा नाम टार्निश कर रहे हैं, मुझे रॉन्ग, मेरा नाम, इज्जत उछाली जा रही है. All this that ना, all this defamation and all that comes there only. So that is how the rights are protected. You cannot do it and another person, if it is genuine, yes, okay. But if you are purposely doing it with the intention of hurting others, you know what's going to be the result, especially defamation cases. And, bundle of rights, it will come. Don't worry. This is a term which you'll constantly use in your profession also. Primary rights have independent existence. Secondary rights are sanctioned rights. It is the right that arises if the primary right is lost. In case of the failure of primary or the sanctioned rights come into picture. Okay. So again, it is called sanctioned because it is a mode of legal enforcement by way of solace for a loss of the primary. They have no independent existence. Only in case of loss of primary, these are coming into picture. Otherwise, they don't come into picture. Usually, person's right to liberty, safety, reputation will be there. Excuse me. So, nothing very special about it. So, there might be, if they ask you what are the types of rights, so please write. First one is moral rights, that are natural rights. Then you come into legal rights. Then into legal rights, please write down primary, secondary, public and private, ordinary and fundamental, proprietary and personal. This is more than enough if the question comes. Now we are getting into public and private rights. Who has what kind of rights? Okay. So the public right are the rights vested in the state. A state holds such rights in the representative of public for the benefit of community. Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. Best example. Rights are being protected by the state. Infringement of anything or something which is going to cause damage to the society, definitely state takes the cognizance of it, and those who stop it are taken to task. When one person with whom the right is connected to the state, while the other person is a private person, the right is public right. When the right is available in affairs concerned with the government, it is termed as the public right. The right to vote in the election is a public right. That is your public right. He is giving an example. आप किस तरह use कर सकते हैं. Private rights are which belong to individuals. When both the persons whom a right is connected are individuals, it is exercise of his own personal benefit. Holding of a house by individual is a private right. I remember I told you an example long back. So maybe if you remember, you will remember the example. If I come to your house by asking permission, if you are giving me permission to come to your house, that is a private right. Without asking if I'm trying to enter your house, who is that person who enters the house without asking? Thief, robber, or burglar. You don't entertain those people, no? क्या आप आपके घर में चोर आने से उसको चाय पिलाएंगे बैठ के? ओ आइए मेहमान, प्लीज बैठिए, आप हमारे घर में कुछ भी चोरी कर सकते हैं. आप क्या करेंगे? पहले डंडा लेके उसको मारेंगे, isn't it? Because that is your right. You are living in your own house, but somebody who trespasses or somebody who breaks into your house is not considered a invited. He is uninvited guest. तो आपको क्या करेंगे? That is a private right, but voting is a general right. Now we get into a, again, you make so many houses, you make so much property for your development. For example, you are studying LLB, then you study LLM. That is your personal thing, no? What you are doing for? You are doing for personal benefit. Okay. General benefit को कब करेंगे आप? General will, suppose you get into services, your state services, you are getting into law services, आपके state government jobs, आपके state के central government jobs, वहां पर क्या है? There you are going to help people. There you are going to help people in getting them what they were not they were deprived of. Okay, जो general right है. Ordinary and fundamental rights. What are ordinary rights? Remember one thing: fundamental rights can be challenged in the court. Ordinary right cannot be challenged. Okay, ordinary right is a right given to legislative action. It may be impaired, abridged, or abrogated by legislative action. Don't worry, I'll tell you why it is like that. Fundamental rights are rights which are conferred upon citizens through the Constitution of India, and such rights and freedom of speech and expression to assemble peacefully without arms. They can be altered only by the Constitutional Amendment, Article 368. If infringed, they can be challenged in the court of law, Article 226, the institution of the High Courts and the Honorable Supreme Courts. Okay. Fundamental rights are immune from interference by laws and exercised by legislative power. Legislature can alter them, but they cannot interfere with with these rights. Okay, that is the difference between them. Okay, majorly. So fundamental rights are very, very important. So that is how the system runs. So very important. So now we get on to more important, proprietary and personal rights. Proprietary rights are rights in relations to one's own property, which consists of things, assets, possessions, ownership of a person. Proprietary rights are which are transferable. Proprietary rights are inheritable. Proprietary rights, आपके पिताजी कंपनी के ओनर हैं, आप इनहेरिट कर रहे हैं. But what happens in property rights? Possession and ownership of the place, possession and ownership of the person. उनकी मिल्कियत कितनी है? ठीक है. I hope you are understanding. Property rights are inheritable, means father से son को आ रहे हैं. Not necessary in property rights it will come. Personal rights how are related to one's person or a body, one character, one liberty and status in society. आपकी सोसाइटी में क्या रकम की ओपिनियन है, दैट इज पर्सनल. इट इज अनइनहेरिटेबल एंड डाइज विथ यू. आप ही के साथ वो खत्म हो जाएगी. आपकी पर्सनैलिटी है ना, आपकी पर्सनैलिटी है वो आपके साथ ही खत्म हो जाएगी. प्रोप्राइटरी राइट्स आर डिफरेंट. You are working hard for the company, you are making money, your name is there, your fame is there, then it will go to your children, then it will go to your grandchildren. Here personal rights are only you. It is with one's body, one's character, one's status in society. Means you are a very famous person in the society,